say flex, I say flex, pan the beat.
Yeah. One Monday to Friday we dey work hard, and it's every day we too bad. They busy, you scared too.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Coco Beauty. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you're not new, then welcome back. Today my tutorial is going to be how I did this frontal. Guys, this is my first time making a frontal. Like, I'm so late with this stuff. It's 2018. I usually go with just a closure piece, but something told me, I was like, oh, let me just try a frontal too, you know. And I pretty much like how it came out. It looks natural, everything. I love the hair, I love the texture. It just looks so good, you know. So yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'm using 3 bundles of the Maven hair. These are all the products that you're going to need to bleach the knots. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pour some powder in a cup and add some 30 volume develop on it. Also add some color corrector on there to actually help eliminate unwanted brassy red or gold tones. And I'm going to put the bleach on the hair, you know, make sure all the spots get it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put some aluminum foil on top, let that set for 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it. You know, wash it, you gotta wash it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my isoplus shampoo, make sure I get all the chemicals out of it, you know. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my purple shampoo, you know, put that on there, you know, just let it sit about 15 minutes. It's going to look like that. If you find out that your lace is looking a little cooler tone or whatever is looking, for me, I use the Adore semi-permanent in the color honey brown. Deep the lace in there, let it sit about 10 minutes and wash it. Right now I'm just you know, putting some T-pins in it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start prepping the hair to, you know, go ahead and start plucking the hair as well to make it look a little bit more natural. So yeah, I'm just like plucking the hair, you know. You just pluck it, and then after that I'm going to try to create some baby hair that I don't have, LOL. Anyways, yeah, so just plucking, like going on the same side. This is how much I took out. The cap that I'm using today is the dumb cap. Of course, I'm going to place that on the mannequin head, and I'm going to start sewing the frontal first, you know, from like ear to ear, you know. Just go ahead and do that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing the back. You know, I'm just going to sew that all the way up to where the frontal stop at. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my elastic band, measure that from ear to ear. And guys, what the elastic band, what am I saying? Elastic band, I'm sorry, does help. It helps lay your frontal really flat. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sew that from, like, you know, the other side of the frontal to the other side, like from the ear part to the other ear part. Yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and wash the hair, blow dry it, then grab my cantu heat protector spray, spray that on there. What am I saying? Spray that on there, guys, and then I'm going to start flat ironing the hair in sections.
I will find my way.
And that's it, guys. Ready to slay this week. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will leave all the info in a comment section below. Thank you guys. See you soon.